Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Snap Pixel. So first of all, make sure that your Snapchat is fully updated to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and if you want to use your Snap Pixel, just generate the Snap Pixel code within the Ads Manager and implement the Snap Pixel on your website. Then use the Snap Pixel helper to verify and troubleshoot Snap Pixel implementation, and then implementations, and then enable pixel tracking in Ads Manager. And as you run ads, you will want to pay attention to your event quality score. So basically Snapchat giving you the tools in the ways to help you actually take action with your Snap Pixel, so you can optimize your Snapchat business account to the next level. All right, so you can see right here, if you're using one of those common platforms or tag management solutions below, we also offer custom integrations that make it even easier. Click on one of these or any of these links to earn or to learn how to get started, right? So basically Snapchat made it easier for business owners or business creators. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.